Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Start by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I will go with Browser. After installing all needed apps, go into Devices Settings. Now in Settings, click on Apps and Notifications right away and tap on Default Apps. Then pick one of those sections, in my case Browser app, and apply your new downloaded one by tapping on it. Lastly, select Change in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!